Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a preview, a quick peek at a new listing I've got coming up in everybody's favorite, at least in Tempe, Corona del Sol Estates. This home, all I've got is the front picture and a side picture, is about 3,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms with a den, 3 baths, pool. Probably the most exciting feature and super hard to find is a detached 6-car garage workshop. So if you know somebody looking for a big workshop, this could be it. Anyway, we should be going on the market in early September. And if you have any questions, I can't give a whole lot of details, but if you have any questions at all, just message me or call me at 602-430-5755. Bye-bye for now.